Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video we are talking about the hotspot billing system that I've been working on, and it's still done. So, and I'm going to show you why you really need it. So you can see that I have deployed this site here. So I have it's not theory anymore. So we have a site that is deployed right now. You can see today's revenue, one active voucher and one paid today. So that's one customer has purchased a 24-hour package. You can see the site status here is online. You can get the CPU from the router, the RAM, and the number of users right now. So no failed payments today, M-Pesa and cash by payment split. Then you get your statistics here, revenue in the last 7 days. So there is that. Then expected from agent today. So what's cool about this system that you need to configure? It's really easy to configure. You just come up, if you want to add a site, just go to router management and add the site. Once you are here, just give it a name and all that, and then create site. Once you do that, you'll get this provision script. You just need to copy this link here and run it in your MikroTik Winbox. So once you do that, it will auto provision the router, and you'll see it on your dashboard that it's online and ready to process payments. And the plans, where will you set the plans? You can just click on plans here and set your plans. You can see I have 1 hour 10 bob, 3 hours 20, 24 hours 35, which is the packet that that customer has purchased. So yeah, once you set your plans, reprovision your router, or make sure you set them before you provision your router. Next thing we're going to check is you can see I have radius logs here. Each tells you what IP, what code, the MAC address. All this information is here, and the duration. You can see the duration of the client has connected, 1 hour 20 minutes. We have reports also. We have reports, weekly revenue trend, you can get there, monthly statements here, weekly statements here, cash versus M-Pesa here. So what's cool about this system is mostly the cash batches here. So you can generate your cash vouchers, send them to your agent who is on site. Let's say like myself, I'm not on site right now, so I just generate these vouchers and send them to the agent. So the agent can give the people there, the customers, the vouchers, and they redeem. So you have to track that income from the agent. So you guessed the last 7 days cash. So just the agent deposits to my till if every day in the evening. Once the business is done, get that revenue. So you are able to track how much you have made, 16 unsold, on by agent, and all that. So let's talk about the hardware. What we have on site. So this system is specifically made for people who have let's say you have a Starlink, then you hook that up with a MikroTik router, and then you can extend the range by using an access point. So that's really the hardware path that you need. An internet source, it can be Starlink, it can be anything, but it's really configured for Starlink which is better because Starlink normally doesn't offer what do you call it, an static IP. So if a system can handle an internet provider that is not offering a static IP, it is even better when it gets one that has static IP. So I'm still in the final stage to release this as a product. You can see, let me go here. So I'll release it for people to use it. Go create a free account and sign in, but everything is set up here, but the only thing is remaining for me is to purchase a custom domain and set up the remaining subscription and all that. But everything is really set up. It's just deployment on the SaaS path. And let's talk about the payments. Yeah, I know people were waiting for that. So on payments here, I was actually done with my Daraja. As you can see, this entered directly to my till using Daraja, but previously I was using PayHero here to process my payments. What else? Yeah, I was using PayHero to process my payments, but now I use Daraja direct. So there are a few things that I'm not yet to deploy. Let's talk about on settings. You can just maybe you can switch your payment method. You can decide to use Daraja or PayHero. So just now because I've got my credential from Safaricom, I have switched to Daraja. So no need of third parties. So that's it. Let me finish up and get a new domain, then we can start processing and use this system. So be standby, and I'll release this product. See you on the next one, guys. Peace out.